Okay, we're here at the property located at 636 Lexington Parkway in Apopka, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single-family home, single story, approximately 2,800 square feet of heated living space. Let's take a walk around the outside. As you come off the main road, you'll notice that there's sort of a private alleyway road here that gives you access to this property. Continues on to your neighbors. Now let's go on inside. As you come in the front, you'll notice your formal living room directly ahead. Your master bedroom and office is going to be off to your right. Dining room, immediate left. Kitchen behind this wall here to your left. And then the other 3 bedrooms are going to be off to the left as well. The front office that we mentioned. Make our way into the master bedroom. You'll notice the tray ceilings. Is in her closets. Double shower heads, double sinks, private commode, so we come back out and notice the dining room area. Right off the front door. Okay. Now we'll come into the kitchen. Here's your kitchen nook. Kitchen opens up into your family room. Workspace right off of the kitchen. Pantry. Black appliances, black granite countertops. Stand corrected, Korean countertops. Here's your second bathroom. Bedroom number 2. number 3. Bedroom number 4. Laundry room, which goes out to your 2-car garage. Okay, to recap, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, with an extra office, approximately 2,800 square feet of heated living space. Just want to give you one more look. Of the back patio area, close up. That concludes our virtual tour of 636 Lexington Parkway in Apopka, Florida, brought to you by Legends Realty.